Hi all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic to discuss, delicious and diabetes-friendly foods that will not only tantalize your taste buds but also keep your blood sugar levels in check. Let's kick things off with a rainbow of non-starchy vegetables. Think broccoli, spinach, kale, and vibrant bell peppers. These veggies are not only loaded with essential vitamins and minerals but also low in carbohydrates, making them a perfect choice for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about the wonderful world of whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, oats, these grains are rich in fiber, providing sustained energy and helping regulate blood sugar. Plus, they add a delightful nutty flavor to your meals. Protein is a key player in the diabetes-friendly game. From lean poultry and fish to plant-based options like tofu and legumes, there are plenty of delicious choices to keep you satisfied and on track. But what about fruits? Absolutely. Berries, apples, and other fruits in moderation can be part of your diabetes-friendly menu. They bring natural sweetness and a host of nutrients to the table. Craving a snack? Nuts and seeds are your go-to. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, they make for a satisfying and crunchy addition to your day. Just remember, moderation is the key. Now, let's talk about healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon, these fats not only add flavor but also contribute to heart health. A win-win for your taste buds and your well-being. Stay hydrated, friends. Water. Herbal teas, these are your best friends. Skip the sugary drinks and keep it simple with refreshing choices that won't play havoc with your blood sugar levels. Spice things up in the kitchen with herbs and spices. Not only do they make your meals more exciting, but they also come with additional health benefits. Cooking can be both fun and beneficial. Remember, these are just some of the many options available to you. Every individual is unique, so it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay healthy and happy eating.